Good morning, Mandela United. Today is Friday, October 4th. My name is Luke, and this is United News. Attention grade 12 students, a reminder that the University of Calgary open house is happening tomorrow, Saturday, October 5th, from 10 a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. in the Jack Simpson Gym. Don't miss this opportunity to have all your application and program-specific questions answered. Last night at Father Lacombe, both the senior and junior girls volleyball teams won. The senior girls had strong focus and never gave up at the net, which allowed them to win in 3 straight sets. The junior girls remain undefeated in the league and played with determination and speed. We are very proud of all of our volleyball teams and their playing. So please come out and support our teams next week at Nelson Mandela Gym. The boys will be playing on Tuesday, October 8th at Mandela starting at 5 o'clock p.m. The girls will be playing at Mandela on Thursday, October 10th starting at 5 o'clock p.m. Your lanyard is required to attend. We look forward to your support and school spirit. Are you looking for a job and not sure where to start? Get your resume ready for the Cross Iron Mills Fall Job Fair happening this Saturday from 12 to 4 p.m. Bring multiple copies of your resume with you and make a good impression. Check the TVs or the Cross Iron Mills website for details. Thank you and have a great day.